Welcome to ULIPs. Today, ULIPs are the most popular investment instruments in India. Investment is simply making your money earn for you. But the fact is, today there are a lot of illusions about investments. And because of these illusions, many of us are deprived of the benefits from investments in India. If you see Sensex, which shows the movement of Indian company share prices, the overall performance of Indian companies since its inception has seen an exponential growth. And today, India is the third largest economy in the world. The major contribution towards Indian economical growth has been from these companies like Reliance, Tata's, Birla's, Infosys, UV Group over a period of 30 long years. And for their exponential growth, they have invited people to purchase shares, and they also have taken loans from public and financial institutions. In the financial language, selling shares is called as equity, and taking loans from public and financial institutions is called as debt. Indian companies have grown exponentially in the last 30 years, and people who have invested in these companies also made money. If you were to see the growth story of Indian companies, the market value of then existing Indian companies in 1980 was 5,421 crores, and today the total market value of Indian companies is 58,98,309 crores. That means an exponential growth from 5,421 crores to 58,98,309 crores. Such a huge growth. And people had two options to share the profit of Indian companies. Option 1, equity, that is purchasing the shares of these companies, and option 2, debt, purchasing bonds and debentures of these companies. Now we'll see what happened to people who have taken the equity route. People who have taken the equity route and invested 100 rupees in 1980 today has become 16,800 rupees. And people who have taken the debt route also made stable returns. And they have invested 100 rupees in 1980 to purchase the bonds of Indian companies, and today their investment has grown to 1,744 rupees. And this is at an assumed growth rate of 10% annual compounding. High returns may tempt us to restrict for equities only. However, equity means ownership, and the way we share profits, we should also accept the losses made by the companies. For example, there is a possibility of your 100 rupees invested becoming either 800 rupees or 80 rupees. And this is called risk. Hence, while investing, we should have a combination of both equity and debt, and which is also called as a calculated risk. Hence, ULIPs are designed to help a common investor to achieve investment objectives. And ULIPs come with a variety of fund choices, predominantly into three segments: equity funds, which will invest majorly into equities and also into debts, and balance funds, which will have equal portfolio of both equity and debt, and debt funds predominantly invest into debts, and a minor chunk of the fund will be invested into equities also. Hence, ULIPs can give you the advantage of various fund options and also gives you an advantage of a combination of both equity and debt. Other advantages of ULIP are, in ULIP plans, you can also top up. Means if you have excess money, you can invest that money into the plan in addition to your regular premium. And ULIPs also give you riders, which are the extra benefits, that means add-ons to your main product. And ULIPs also will give you a chance to invest as per your risk appetite. That means you can decide the combination of equity and debt as per your risk appetite. And ULIPs also give you tax benefits. And ULIPs come with a lot of flexibility like partial withdrawals. And ULIPs also give you premium holiday. That means if you discontinue paying premiums, your policy will not lapse. And ULIPs are transparent. You can see the amount of charges. You can also see the amount of your premium being invested into the fund. Overall, ULIP is a combination of insurance and investment. And we offer single premium plans and regular premium plans. In single premium plans, you pay for one time, and regular premium plans, you pay during the term of the policy. And the most importantly, the underlying success mantra for ULIPs are: the more you pay, the longer you stay, the more you get.